Hi guys, happy Tuesday. For today, my quick tip is to do with one piece of equipment that I think is a really great thing to have in your workshop. When I first started jewellery making, I didn't really see the need for tools like machinery. I wanted to just do everything purely by hand. But my husband, in his wisdom, called up and for my birthday actually asked somebody that was a professional what are the kind of things that I might need, and he invested in something from Kernowcraft all those years ago that I actually use today for loads of different reasons. Now, I didn't realise I needed it, but of course once you've got something, then you look at different ways in which you can use it. There's one piece of equipment you can use in lots of different ways, so today I'm just going to show you quickly how you can use it to drill. Next week I'm going to show you how you can use it to polish, because I've had lots of questions about polishing, so hope that will help you. This multi-size chuck means that you can use it for all different size attachments, which makes it really versatile. So that was something extra that I bought. It didn't come with it. There you go. So I've just tightened that. Okay. Now, one thing that I will say as a safety feature, it'd be really good if you get yourself some sexy goggles. Okay. These look really cool on. I just feel, you know, like it really
ties in the whole outfit.
Sets my whole outfit off. All joking aside, because there is obviously a danger of things coming out and flying up, it is really important that you look after your eyes. Okay, so with this Dremel, you can turn it up and have it really, really high, or you can have it lower, so it's just, you know, the motor, you can have it to suit you on whatever you're doing. I would usually leave mine on quite a high mode. Okay, and then you literally just turn it on here and you don't touch anything else. So you don't touch this. This is only for actually opening the chuck up to replace things from here. Once it's set, you leave it then, and you just hold it like a pen, or like this I would hold it. Okay, so I'm just going to turn this on. Sounds great. And you can obviously use different size drill bits, so you can change that for really teeny tiny ones or nice thick ones. So I've got a few just here in my block. My block is literally just a block of wood, and I've just drilled holes into it so that I can just put all of my bits and pieces so that I can see them really quickly to grab what I need. But yeah, hope that helps.